the reach. Pop lock, now I'm off the leash. Mic drop, I ain't gotta preach. I just do what comes natural. 5-star, everything I see. Live large, no apology. Take charge, no one can compete. I just do what comes natural.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am about to unbox my new Sony ZV-1 Mark II vlogging camera. This is a camera I definitely been wanting to buy. I know a lot of the girlies have been using it and it has been getting a lot of good reviews for vlogging. So I was so excited to just unbox this for you guys. So other the camera and some extra batteries, that's why I have two boxes. This is the package that it came in. So these are just the manuals and all different kind of things about the camera, which I haven't read actually. This is something that I can actually scan to get some form of protection for the camera. I can pay for extra protection for the camera just in case of any damages or whatever. I can get it replaced or get it fixed. More manual and guides. Now that we've gotten past all of those, let's see what's inside. Now I liked, this was a smaller package. I was opening up to see. This is the, I don't remember what it's called, but you put it on top of the camera and it kind of helps to feed out that extra noise in the background, wind, etc. It helps the recording quality to be better, in terms of audio to be better. I like that it came in a dust bag. Lightweight, easy to carry around. I like that too. I was super impressed by the quality of this camera. Then again, for the money I paid, I expected the quality to be good. So I'm going to change angle and show you guys this camera close up. Now this is really what it looks like. As you see in a close-up shot of the camera, you can see this is where that thing goes. That's the on and off button right there. Then the one next to it, you can change between modes, and the one with the red circle, you can press that for recording. And then you have the speaker at the top. It comes the battery and give me that feel like, of my phone. And you guys, if you're subscribed to my channel, I've been using my phone to vlog, so this gave me like a good replacement where it kind of feels like a phone but not really a phone, better quality and whatnot. So I was just flipping out the screen here just to see what it's looking like. I love this screen, by the way. Love the design, love the feel, love the lightweightness of it, love how compact it is, love everything about it so far. Now these are the batteries that I ordered to go along with the camera. This is just a guide or a menu, guide or a manual, I mean, to tell me how to use the charger and how to insert the batteries and whatnot. This is the USB cord that it came with. This is the charging adapter. It has 3 slots to put, so I can charge 3 batteries at a time, which is so convenient for me. That's the company that I bought the batteries from. They're not original Sony, but based on the reviews, they are just as good as the original ones. I never saw the original ones on it, so I just went with these. It's so convenient to be able to charge 3 batteries at a time, especially when you're on the go vlogging and whatnot. So that's really super convenient. I liked how it was well packaged in these cute little boxes, and then even after opening it, they came individually in a nice, compact, cute little covering, so they can be secure at all times. So that's what came in this particular package. All in all, I am loving it so far. I'm still playing around with it, doing my research to get the best settings for this camera so that I can give even better quality content that I've been given. So look out for that. I will try to insert at the end some pictures and video clips to give you guys an example of the quality that it produced. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this with somebody who you want to know about this. That's me, testing it out a little bit. Stay positive as always.